Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today I have a 14-minute vocal warm-up for you that will get you ready to sing, whether that's for more vocal practice or for a performance. Before we start this vocal warm-up, check in with your alignment and your breathing and release any tension that you don't need. I love to start with some gentle glides. Let's sing on zh. We'll sing zh and go. This next vocal warm-up focuses on an engaged and efficient onset. We'll sing on E, like E, 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 E. We want this onset to neither be glottal, E, 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 or aspirate, he, he, but it's very balanced. Here we go. E, 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 E. On to a lip trill or a bubble. If that doesn't work for you, you can always sing this on a v sound. Let's sing. Here we go. now on a relaxed jaw. We're going to sing on fa-e. Notice that these are two distinct relaxed vowels and not fi-yi. The pattern sounds like this. Fi-yi-yi-yi-yi. Here we go. Fi-yi-yi-yi-yi. Fi-yi-yi-yi-yi. To engage our breath, let's sing hum 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 hum. Your turn. Hum 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 fond of the thought that singing should feel more like sighing. So let's sing on a saw that feels like a sigh, like saw, and go Let's sing on money. Money, 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 money. This exercise works towards a focused and efficient sound. Here we go. Money, 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 money. 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 Back into relaxation, let's sing on yaw yaw with a gently relaxed and open jaw. We'll sing yaw 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 and go yaw 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 Let's bring in a little bit more interval work, and we're going to sing on ni-o, like this. Ni-o, e-o, 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 e. Here we go. Ni-o, e-o, 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 e. 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 Let's do a little bit more range extension on some glides. Let's sing. You can also try this on an open vowel like na, or feel free to go back and forth. Here we go. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I hope you're feeling vocally warmed up and ready for whatever is next for you. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos and announcements. I will see you next time. Hello! Goodbye!